welcome back to my channel. Today I had to stop at Aldi and pick up some groceries. So we didn't really have anything for lunches, breakfast. I'm just going to show you everything I got, keto or not. I will tell you if it is keto because I do have 4 kids who do not eat keto. They eat keto dinners and keto snacks, but they also eat non-keto dinners and non-keto snacks and breakfast, etc., etc. What is that?
I pulled the bag.
So I'm just going to go ahead and show you everything. Not pictured, 4 boxes of Frosted Flakes, the Aldi kind. So, all right, let's just jump into it. So this is everything plus the 4 boxes of Frosted Flakes. I did spend $126. I will say this is not bad for $126. This is not bad. So we'll start off here. You guys should know these are not keto. My kids like these as snacks. So we'll go ahead and remove the things as we go. Non-keto pretzels. They're eggs. And I know you guys like prices a lot of the time. So hold on just a second. All right, guys, so those pretzels were 79 cents each. They actually went up in price. They used to be 59 cents. I used to get tons of the pretzels, but they've gone up. So 79 cents each for those. I got 2 packs of a dozen eggs, which the eggs were $1. I know I put those eggs up there. $1.09 each for the eggs. So I got 2 things of eggs. These applesauce are not keto. The kids like them for snacking. I got the applesauces were each $1.19. That's a picture of Reese in kindergarten. Oh my goodness. So the kids like to eat raviolis and things like that when they get home from school sometimes. So just in a pinch, whatever, if I'm making something keto and they don't like it, this is always there. So these are 69 cents each, and I just got a variety of those. I'm pretty sure those were all 65. I'm sorry. These were all 65 cents. Needed some more vinegar. Vinegar was 75 cents. 79 cents for the vinegar. I thought these were pretty good. Oh, well, never mind. I did not look at these. Will definitely be just for the kids. I will not be having these. And by the way, those are definitely not keto, and either are these. I seen uncured beef franks. Now that usually is what you want to look for. Those are usually the ones that have the best ingredients. These have no nitrates, whatever. But look at the carb count, you guys. 6 carbs, 2 sugars. Why? Why? Why is all these extra ingredients in here? You don't need that. Now, if you get the Oscar Mayer or any other beef uncured franks, you're looking at less than a carb per link. This is 6 carbs per link. Anyways, these were 99 cents. So I got 4 packs of that. I didn't look at the carb count. I thought uncured beef franks, score. No. Nope. Guess not. My bad. Got this spicy Italian dry salami. This is serving size is 1 ounce, and it is 1 carb for 1 ounce. This was $5.99, I want to say. Picked up some premium honey smoked ham. The salami is keto. I wouldn't say this is keto because this is 3 carbs because it's honey. Okay, there's 3 grams of sugar in there. When I buy lunch meat, I'll show you the lunch meat I got myself. But for that ham, for the honey ham, this is what I get myself. This is keto. This is if you can see through here, 0 carbs for, I think it is 6 slices, $3.99 for that roast beef. I picked this up. Now this was normally like $2.49. This whole milk plain, 75% less fat than sour cream, blah, blah, blah. This is whole milk yogurt. Now this is normally $2.49. I got this for 99 cents. It was marked down. It is 1 carb. I mean, you can use this instead of sour cream. There's options for this. I thought 99 cents for something that's normally almost $3. I'm going to go ahead and get it. It's a Greek yogurt squeeze. I don't know. It's going bad towards the end of the month. So whatever, 99 cents. We'll try it out. I got this jumbo cooked in shell shrimp. Now, I had amazing shrimp at Texas Roadhouse for my Mother's Day lunch, and it was delicious, and I want to recreate that. So I got these for $6.99. So the shrimp is $6.99. It is keto. I bought 2 packs of bacon, which is $3.49 each. 2 packs of the bacon. Now this bacon is 0 carbs. I am doing a bacon fast right now, so needed to stock up on that. These blueberries were on sale. How much were these? These were $1.99. They were on sale. They normally are like 2 something, so these are keto in moderation. I got these. These are basically the ice version, and they're called Sparkling Frost. These are 2 carbs for the entire bottle. They are higher in carbs than the ice, or even like the Walmart version, but I wanted to try it. The whole bottle is 2 carbs. I got 2 of those. Yeah, 49 cents. These were 54 cents. These are just the basically the LaCroix of Aldi. These are 0 carbs. So I got that, and then they had this Juicy Peach Sparkling Water. This was also 54 cents, and this is 0 carbs. I feel like this is more of like the Walmart version. Probably has a lot more flavor. It is sweetened with aspartame, so that definitely, because this is just a sparkling water and does not have anything like that in it. So this will be the flavor right there. I got 2 of these garden salads, which were 80. I got 2 big things of celery. Now their celery was $1.29 each, but on top they had these flimsy little packets of celery that were half of this size for $1.29. I dug a ways and I seen the big packs of celery, and I'm like, okay, I'm getting this. Now, $1.29 for me, that's kind of expensive, because usually I can find that for like 89 cents, but that's okay. I needed celery. I've been going through a phase. Celery definitely is keto. I found these mini cucumbers. Now, I really had to dig because most of their cucumbers were really nasty looking. So these were $1.99. They do have organic, but that was almost $3.50. So I stuck with just the regular $1.99 cucumbers. They had this big how many pounds is this? This is 80/20. And it is 3 pounds of ground beef. This was $8.49 for the 3 pounds. I thought that was a good idea, since I just split this up anyways. So there was some pork sausage. $1.89 for the pork sausage. So keto. This is not keto, but they had their pineapples on sale. They were only $1.29 for their pineapples. I had to pick up some more mustard, 49 cents. I just got their real mayonnaise brand. This is 0 carbs. It does have soybean oil, so I mean, got to do what you got to do. Make some good decisions. The mayo was $1.89. They did have Hellmann's, but it was so much more expensive. So $1.89. This cheese, I mean, lazy dirty keto, I guess. I don't eat these. These are more for the kids. These were 99 cents each. I do remember that price. Got some pickles. These dill pickle chips were $1.25, and these are less than a carb for about 3 slices. And then I got these sandwich slices. Ooh, these were $1.16. Again, less than a carb for about 2 slices. This is definitely not keto. This jelly I got for the kids, it was $2.79. Picked up some peanut butter. My kids go through peanut butter like insanely insane. $2.19 for this peanut butter. We got 2 things of fat-free skim milk for the kids, which were $1.20 each. I got 4 packs of the Aldi brand macaroni and cheese, which were 49 cents each. I got a head of lettuce, which was 99 cents. I got 2 packs of the bagels, which were $1.49 each for the bagels. Got 2 of those. And then the honey wheat, which is also for the kids. Definitely not keto, you guys. The breads are not keto. They were 89 cents. My kids love ramen noodles. Not the best choice, but hey, they like it. I don't feed it to them often. So I got 2 big packs of the ramen noodles, which are, how much were those? $1.94. $1.94 each for each one of these 12 packs of ramen noodles. I got a big bag of the little mandarin oranges, which were $49 for the oranges. I got these snap peas, which were $2.29. These are keto. Now it doesn't show any nutritional here. Now you can have, I mean, don't eat this whole bag, but moderation. These I know were on sale. These Vine on tomatoes. These are keto. These were $89 for these on the Vine tomatoes. The radishes were only, I think it's like 59 cents. Yeah, 59 cents each. These are keto. Green onions, they are also keto, 69 cents. The Baby Bellas were on sale for, I keep seeing Baby Bella, 99 cents. 99 cents for the Baby Bellas. This was $5. We needed some toilet paper, and then some tuna in oil. I got, these were 69 cents each, and I got 6 of those. So guys, that is what I got. I spent $126. Plus 4 boxes of cereal, and I showed you everything else. That's what we got this week. This will last us well into next week. But yeah, that's it, guys.